As a startup founder, I know it's really hard to grow your business with so much less resources. Be it the hefty server costs or be it Google and Facebook ads taking a huge chunk of your revenue. Here's the good news, you aren't alone. There are thousands of startup founders going through the exact same problem, but some of them decided to make a difference. They decided to take my growth hacks and skyrocket their business from scratch just within months of launching their product. They made their conversions 10x using my super optimized landing page techniques, saved a ton using extreme automation tools, and created super frugal growth hacks by rapidly experimenting with their users. So I've decided to get this opportunity to you just at the price of pizza. So join this growth hacking workshop and growth hack your startup in just 5 days. Share resources, join regular discussions, and find perfect growth hacks for your business with startup founders just like you. See you there.